Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off autoplay videos on Facebook in desktop computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. When I scrolling down, the video is automatically play in my wall. Now I am going to turn off these autoplay videos on Facebook. On upper right corner, click on your account picture and then click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. In left hand, just scroll down. Here you will find media. Click on media. And here you will find an option autoplay videos. And it's default, and by default all videos are auto played on Facebook profile. Just click on default button here, and here you will find three options: default, on and off. Click on off. Autoplay is turned off on my Facebook. Go to home and scroll down. Look, the video is not automatically playing right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.